Hello, so what we need for this experiment, white polymer crystals. And we need a spoon, any kind of spoon, some blue water, some blue coloring food, and this tall cap this. And this is up to like halfway, kind of over halfway. And this is just probably something extra, I don't know. And first off, we are going to put some, take these out and put them in here. I'm just gonna make 3 scoops. Okay. Lowering my spoon down here. There, how's that? Okay. Mom, maybe you'll need your parents here to do this because it's a little tricky. They're tiny. Don't know what to do with that kind. Okay, I'm going to carefully put some more in. Make sure you put 3 scoops, only 3 scoops of them.
And these are water absorbing polymer crystals.
Yes. Don't say beads. They're white though. Okay?
Yeah, because they're not beads, are they?
Yeah.
They're really fine. Like they look like sugar, don't they?
Yeah, they do. Did you do 3?
Did you do 3? Okay.
So I put in 3 of them. 3 scoops of this spoon. Now we gotta put some. Okay. You need to keep putting drops in of food coloring till it turns blue.
Can you count as you put them in?
1. Ah, I dropped it. Ah, okay. At least it's still blue. There's a drop. It's turning really blue. Is that good enough? Okay. Oh, my spoon turned to green when I put it in. Huh? Because it's yellow. It goes. That's good. I don't know. You do this already. After red. That's good, probably.
I think that's a very pretty blue.
Yeah, it is really pretty.
Okay.
Okay, and then carefully pour it in. Okay, carefully pour it in. I'm a little scared pouring it in.
Just go slow.
Just go slow. It's going up.
So what do you think is going to happen, Scarlett?
I don't know.
What is your hypothesis?
I don't know. Don't know what my.
Are the beads going to change color or are they going to stay white? I'm sorry, not the beads. The granules.
The granules? I don't know what granules are.
The powder.
No, it's gonna turn blue.
Do you think the crystals are going to take the blue?
Yes. Is that a good amount?
I would go almost all the way up.
Right here? I think a little bit more.
Ooh.
Whoa! Went a little too fast, and that's perfect. And carefully put this on. And it says shake it. You can fix it up. I'm going to tighten this really up because we're going to shake it. Wow, the white's rising, see? I think it's going everywhere. Don't know how much I should need to shake this thing, but I'm just going to keep shaking. Take a look at it. Can you do the shaking job?
Okay, wait, let's take a look. So we've got some that are stuck here, don't we? Hey Scarlett, it's not liquid anymore.
It's not.
Look. That's why it's not moving, because it's not liquid.
So
What did it turn?
It's kind of crystal.
It's like gel.
Let's open it and see it. Let's keep it like this, just in case.
You feel it?
Yeah.
It's not liquid, is it?
No. So weird. Whoa.
Was it supposed to do that?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's answer the hypothesis. Did it change the crystals from white?
No.
Are the crystals still white?
Yes.
They're white?
No.
Well, there's some stuck down there, yes. But the crystals that were exposed to the color, are they white?
No, they're that color. But where did all the blue go? The color go?
Well, the color absorbed
Man.
into the crystals.
I mean, where did all the liquid go?
Where did it go?
Inside the beads?
It went inside the beads.
But there's still a little bit more.
Yeah, because I guess we put too many crystals in. There wasn't enough water.
Or maybe too much here.
That is really cool.
Yeah.
That we made like a gel.
You know? Okay, and by the way, bye.
By the way, what?
I have a sister. Bye.